We are the last 10 nights of Ramadan. We are coming in just 10 days. Some of you are not ready. All of us need to speak right now.
I am night 21, the night that opens the final door. Most people treat me like any other night, but I am where everything changes. Are you ready?
I am night 23. Scholars say I could be the one night worth 1,000 months. You will be sleeping when I arrive. That breaks my heart.
I am night 25. I arrive on a weeknight when you have work the next morning. That is not an accident. That is the test. Will you rise?
I am night 27, the night most Muslims believe I carry Laylatul Qadr. The mosques will be full, but will you still be standing at 3 a.m. when others leave? I am night 29. I might be the last Ramadan night before Eid. Some of you will celebrate tomorrow and forget I was even here. Please do not. I am Laylatul Qadr. I am hidden among these nights on purpose, because Allah wants to see who worships every night, not just the one they think is me.
I am the last night of Ramadan. I will leave before sunrise, and I will not return for another year. What did you do with me tonight? Tell me.